Hi, darlings. So, have you ever been in a situation, okay, where you need to fix a meal, but then again, you do not have all the animals in the world? Yes, the turkey, the beef, the gorilla, the monkey, the salmon, the everything. Please, come on, gather in here in my kitchen. Got enough space for all of us. All right, let's pound. That was turmeric, cloves, and just a few cayenne peppers. Have you seen my pretty mortar? So that turmeric is gonna give us a beautiful, vibrant color to the rice. After pounding those ones, just add the crayfish and pound. Very simple to put together meal. Okay, let's go do our delicious concoction rice. Okay, now this is the white rice. I was wondering what I would really do with it. I boiled it and parboiled and washed it. And now let's do the magic. Plenty onions. I love onions. I hope you know onions have taste. They apart from giving fragrance to your food and flavor, they actually have a sweet taste. So that's the green and red chili peppers. I had those chilies at home, so you can use whatever pepper you have at hand, okay? Don't stress. This is a no stress recipe, okay? By all means, use whatever you have at your disposal and try to fix something. Sometimes little is actually so much. That's the truth. Because it came out tasting so delicious. Look how good it looks already. Eh? Cover the pot. Cover the pot. Okay, let's have those few vegetables for garnishing. You know, um, how do I say this? The thing is, proper presentation of food can almost be as essential as its preparation. Hmm? Okay, look what we have. Looks like a four-star meal. Do you agree? Thanks to the turmeric, beautiful, vibrant color. This plantain, just I don't. It's soft. It's so soft. So if we fry it, it's gonna probably get soaked in the oil. So I just rather grill it. That's just sprinkle some salt on it, and so this I just put it on the skewer. That didn't show in the camera. I'm sorry. See, sometimes when you really cannot afford that much, or maybe you can even afford, but proximity to the market and all that, just look around the house. Take whatever is available. Try to fix something out of it. It's gonna come out nice. I promise you. And they're even gonna come back asking for more. I'm telling you. Okay. Now is the time we want to make it look presentable. So when you offer this to someone, they are going to be so appreciative, even though there are no proteins, as it were. The chicken, the beef, and all those different kinds of things. And now let me take this time to appreciate you for watching my delicious moments. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing as well, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. Thank you. I really appreciate your time here. Really. Okay. Okay. Just use whatever container, a cup, whatever you like. Turn it. I'm sure you saw what I was doing. Did you? I'm sure you did. You guys are smart people. Um, okay, we're looking for the best position to put. Look how this looks like a kebab. It looks like a chicken kebab. The plantain. I feel like this egg is offended. Like, why am I the last person on the decorating table? So I had to force it to come out. So I just, use it to garnish the rest of the stuff. That's what I did basically. I hope this sharing was I fair in the serving of this food? Is one side more than the other side? Was I fair enough? I kind of like want to know your thoughts on this whole thing. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section, okay? God's blessings always. Bye.